Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're working on the 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500, which also includes the heavy duty. This also pertains to the 2019 through the 2022 Ram 1500 Classic design. So today I'm going to show you guys an awesome upgrade that we carry here at Infotainment.com. That is adding factory tail lamps to your truck. So those of you who have a lower model or a lower trim level Ram truck and want to upgrade to the Laramie or the limited style tail lights, we can help you out. They are 100% factory and it's 100% plug and play with our kit. Now they do come in two different variations. You have a chrome version, which is typically in trucks that have a chrome back or rear bumper and a chrome front bumper. If you happen to have a sport truck that has body color bumpers, sometimes you'll opt to go with the smoke or sport version of the tail light. So that is an option. Obviously you can choose whatever one you want based on what you like, but the installation is very easy and you'll really like the way that it looks on your truck when you do the upgrade. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the truck behind us.
To do this install, all you're going to need is a T25 Torx bit, a pick tool or a flathead, something small, your tail lights, and the harnesses that come with your kit. All right, to start, we already dropped the tailgate. All we need to do is pull the T25 Torx that's on the top and the bottom here. There's just two of them. And now you can grip the tail light and pull straight back. All right, with our tail light pulled out, you can see our wiring here on the top side. We have a red security tab that we have to slide over. That's what we're going to use our flathead for. A lot of times these will be full of dirt and they're kind of hard to move. But once you slide it over, you should be able to depress that button and pop that right out of your light socket. Oop. The bottom one just kind of spun out of there, but essentially the same thing, just doesn't have a security tab on it. Press the button down and remove your light. And now from here, we'll grab our integration harness that we have here and we'll plug it in. To our two light harnesses that we pulled out of the tail light. And now we're going to be left with this single plug, and that's all you need for your new LED tail light. Let me pull this plastic off a little bit. And you'll locate the connector right in the center of your tail light. Press that all the way in. Once you get that pressed in, you can slide the red security tab over to lock that in place. Just like that. Now, if your tail light has some black snaps in there, in these two grooves, you can pull those out if you want to use your factory ones. If your factory ones broke while you removed your OEM tail light, then you can take these and snap those back in there to secure your tail light. But basically from here, we can go ahead and slide our tail light back into place. Make sure that these two round grooves here line up with the two black snaps on the side of the bed here. And once you have those lined up, push it into place and we can reinstall the two T25 Torx screws. All right, we can move over to the passenger side and do the same thing. All right, so that wraps up another quick update for our 2016 Ram truck here. If you like this install and you want to see more, come back to Infotainment.com.